solve this together. It says x plus y is equal to 6 and xy is equal to 6. We are going to solve for the values of x and for y in this equation. Okay. Now the first thing we can do here is to say, let's make x subject to the formula. So let's call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. Now you can say from equation 2, okay, so from 2, that x is equal to 6 over y. So when we have x equal to 6 over y, we can substitute x as 6 over y in the first equation. So we have 6 over y plus y is equal to 6. Multiplying each term here with y, we have y times 6 over y is 6, plus y times y is y squared, is equal to 6 times y, which is 6y. Now we have y squared minus 6y plus 6 equals 0. Using the quadratic formula to solve this, the quadratic formula says that we have y to be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, okay, where a is the coefficient of y squared, b is the coefficient of y, and c is the constant term. Okay, so let's apply this now and solve. We can now say that solving this, we have minus 6 is plus 6, plus or minus root of 6 squared is 36, minus 4 times 6 is 24, all over 2a, which is 2 times 1, which is 2, is equal to y. So our y becomes equal to 6 plus or minus root of 12 divided by 2. This becomes equal to 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 divided by 2, which becomes equal to 3 plus or minus root 3. Okay, this is our y. Now recall that x is equal to 6 over y, or y is equal to 6 over x, okay, whichever way. So we can say that our x here now becomes equal to 6 divided by 3 plus or minus root 3. Now let's say when y is 3 plus root 3, we have that our x is equal to 6 divided by 3 plus root 3, okay. Now you have a surd in the denominator, so let's rationalize this denominator. So we'll remove the surd from the denominator and bring it to the numerator, okay. Let's do that now. Now moving on from here, in order to rationalize this, we're going to say that this is equal to 6 divided by 3 plus root 3. We're going to multiply by 3 minus root 3, and here by 3 minus root 3. So we would have that this is equal to 6 into 3 minus root 3 divided by 3 squared is 9 minus root of 3 squared is 3. Okay, so this becomes equal to 6 into 3 minus root 3. Sorry for that, minus root 3 divided by 6. 6 times 6, so we have that x is equal to 3 minus root 3 when y is equal to 3 plus root 3. Hence, this means that when x will be equal to 3 plus root 3, it will be as y equals 3 minus root 3. Okay, so these are the answers to this equation. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.